Hello everyone. During this tutorial video, you will learn a little bit more about the advanced features related to the simulation results of VINcoSIM. Let's see what additional actions we can perform after pressing the Simulate button when we set the defined simulation setup. On the Simulation Details tab, a block diagram of the product can be seen, which consists of the energy conversion stages. Products with multiple stages, for example, a PIM plus PFC module, has more components with different functions. By clicking on the stages, the results in the right side table of the given stage can be hidden or revealed. By default, every stage result is shown here. Clicking action is defined on the schematic as well. If you click on a desired simulated component, it will be highlighted in the table on the right-hand side, and the related graphs will be displayed at the bottom of the page. Moving the mouse pointer over a component causes a blue circle to appear, if that component has a simulation result. The schematic image can be zoomed in or out, depending on what part of the topology you want to enlarge. In the bottom right-hand corner, a small image can indicate which part of the topology you are actually highlighting. The zoom state can be set to default by clicking on the corresponding button. The results of the simulation can be exported to a PDF file. This is generated by pressing on Download Simulation Results. During the wait time, the simulator collects all setup and results parameters defined and obtained after simulation execution. After collecting the data, a document with a predefined scheme is generated. This contains all setup information, including the numerical and graphical results. If a new simulation is performed on the power module, the new results can be downloaded in turn.